Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Insight battery. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt battery to prevent electrical hazards. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. This ensures a secure environment for your work. Taking these initial precautions is crucial for a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's locate the high-voltage battery pack. In most Honda Insight models, you'll find it conveniently situated in the rear cargo area. Begin by carefully removing the cargo floor and any surrounding trim panels. This will reveal the battery's protective cover. Next, using a 10mm socket, unbolt the fasteners securing this access panel. With the cover removed, you'll gain clear visibility of the battery components, preparing you for the next steps. With the battery exposed, it's time to disconnect it. Always start by carefully disconnecting the orange high-voltage cables, beginning with the negative terminal first. This minimizes the risk of electrical shock. Next, unbolt any hold-down straps or brackets that secure the battery in place. Double-check for any remaining electrical connections or sensors and disconnect them. The battery is quite heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, so lift it out carefully, perhaps with assistance. Finally, let's install your new battery. Gently lower the replacement battery into its compartment, making sure it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reconnect all electrical connections, this time starting with the positive high-voltage cable, then the negative. Secure the battery firmly with its hold-down straps and brackets. Double-check all connections for tightness. Replace all trim panels and the cargo floor, ensuring everything is properly seated. You've successfully replaced your Honda Insight battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.